This bird cannot fly, yet it moves through water faster than an Olympic swimmer. Beneath that tuxedo-like plumage lie knees. They're just hidden under up to 180,000 feathers, the densest coat of any bird. That feather armor keeps them dry and warm. And their bones? Unusually solid, not hollow like other birds. So they can dive deep, up to 565 meters, deeper than the Empire State Building is tall. In temperatures below -60 degrees Celsius, emperor penguins survive the Antarctic winter. How? By forming a living huddle of thousands. They rotate constantly, so no one stays on the icy edge too long. Survival, as an act of shared sacrifice. For over 65 days, the father guards the single egg. He eats nothing, drinks nothing, losing nearly half his body weight, while balancing the egg on his feet, covered by a warm feather flap. All this in total darkness and howling winds. Emperor penguins live only in Antarctica, nature's boldest experiment in flightless grace. In a world that rewards speed, they teach us stillness. In isolation, they choose community. Perhaps the coldest places produce the warmest lessons. If you've ever felt alone in the storm, remember the penguin.